So not sure how well you can see that. As you can see, there was a house explosion right down the road from Shenandoah, and this is an old person estate. As you can see, there was a gas leak that had leaked inside this house, or this mobile home, and has exploded. The explosion was so severe that it melted the siding off the side of this next mobile home right next to it, and the surrounding mobile home units. So we are here at Enchanted Acres where the explosion in the mobile home park had occurred. I went around, I asked a few questions, and I was trying to see if anybody knew anything. So far from what I know, from what I was told, that there was a gas leak, and we do not know exactly what had caused the spark of the explosion. It has been stated in local news. I have not checked other local news connections to see what all is going on, but I'm giving you guys a little bit of coverage of what's going on here at Enchanted Acres. As you can see, the entire upper structure on the frame of the mobile home has been blown off. They are investigating still, as you can see, where this all initiated from. Well, from my observation so far, they keep taking photos of around the stove. Not sure entirely, but I am assuming that maybe it's got something to do with the gas leak with the stove. Maybe something was left on. Nobody's entirely sure exactly what is the cause, but this may be the source. If you look in the center of the screen, you may be able to see the stove in its entirety. It could have leaked from there due to the fact that everything else around the surrounding area blew outwards. So far I've asked around, I talked around, and so for today's kind of quick update, it appeared that 2 people were injured, 1 critical, 1 was severely burned. They're still investigating, as everyone's got the same information here. So if you check local news outlets, you'll get more information there. I just wanted to take and post this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you like the content so far, like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.